Figure 12 is a circle with an inscribed triangle. The three sides of the triangle we have root 2, 2 and 3. Find the radius r of the circle in figure 12 above. Hence, calculate the area of the shaded portion of the circle. First thing, for us to answer this question, we are going to start by locating the center of the circle. Let's assume this is the center of this circle. This is the radius. From the circumference to the center, this is the radius. And from the circumference to the center again, it is the radius. If this angle is theta, which is subtended at the circumference of this circle by this arc, then this angle at the center will be 2 times the angle theta. That means 2 theta. By making use of the cosine rule, it is very easy for us to find the angle theta. Since for this triangle we know the three sides. Take this down using the cosine rule, comma. This side is opposite the angle theta. 2 squared will be equal to root 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times root 2 times 3 cos theta. 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 is equal to root 2 squared gives us 2 plus 3 squared gives us 9 minus 2 times root 2 gives us 2 root 2. 2 root 2 times 3 gives us 6 root 2 cos theta. 2 plus 9 gives us 11. 4 will be equal to 11 minus 6 root 2 cos theta. We are going to transfer negative 6 root 2 cos theta to the left hand side, which becomes positive. This will give us 6 root 2 cos theta to be equal to 11. We are going to transfer 4 to the right hand side, which becomes negative 4. This will give us 6 root 2 cos theta to be equal to 11 minus 4 gives us 7. Next, we are going to divide all through by 6 root 2 cos theta will simply be equal to 7 all over 6 root 2. Then the angle theta will simply be the cos inverse of 7 all over 6 root 2. Then theta will simply be equal to, we are going to give this angle to 1 decimal place, 34.4 degrees. This is the angle theta. This angle, it simply means 2 theta will simply be equal to, we are going to take 2 times 34.4 degrees, which will simply be equal to 68.8 degrees. Knowing this, we can proceed to find the radius of this circle. And for us to find the radius of this circle, we are still going to make use of the cosine rule. Applying the cosine rule on this our triangle, this triangle, 2 squared will be equal to r squared plus r squared minus 2 times r cos 2 theta, this angle. This will give us 2 squared, which is 4, to be equal to r squared plus r squared gives us 2r squared minus 2 times r gives us r squared cos 2 theta. 2 theta is 68.8 degrees. This will give us 4 to be equal to, we can factor out 2r squared. 2r squared times 1 minus cos 68.8 degrees to 1 decimal place gives us 0.4. 4 will be equal to 2r squared times 1 minus 0.4 gives us 0.6. 4 will be equal to 2r squared times 0.6. 2 times 0.6 gives us 1.2 r squared. Then if we divide all through by 1.2, 1.2 r squared divided by 1.2 will simply be equal to 4 divided by 1.2. Then r squared will be equal to 4 divided by 1.2. It gives us 3.3 to 1 decimal place. Then if we take square root on both sides, then r will simply be equal to, it gives us 1.8 units. Then we conclude, therefore the radius of the circle, r is equal to 1.8 units. Knowing the radius of the circle, we can proceed to answer the next part of the question, which says, hence calculate the area of the shaded portion of the circle. This portion, for us to calculate the area of the shaded portion, we are going to take the area of the circle minus the area of this triangle. Area of the shaded portion is simply equal to area of circle minus area of triangle. The area of the circle is simply equal to pi radius squared, which is simply equal to pi times the radius squared. The radius is, we are just from calculating the radius, which is 1.8 times 1.8 units. We square this. This will be equal to pi times 1.8 squared gives us 3.24 units squared. This will be equal to, we take pi times 3.24, it gives us 10.18 to 2 decimal places, 10.18 units squared, since we are calculating area. Next, we have to find the area of the triangle it will simply be equal to, we are going to make use of Hero's formula to calculate the area of this triangle since the three sides of the triangle have been given, root 2, 2, and 3. This will simply be equal to the square root of, we take s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. S is simply equal to, we are going to take the sum of the three sides, a plus b plus c, we divide by 2. S is the semi-perimeter. And this will be equal to, we take root 2 plus 3 plus 2, we divide by 2. This will simply be equal to root 2 to 1 decimal place is 1.4. 1.4 plus 3 gives us 4.4. 4.4 plus 2 gives us 6.4 divided by 2 is simply equal to 3.2. This is the semi-perimeter. The area of the triangle will simply be equal to the square root of s. We take 3.2 times 3.2 minus a. A is root 2, which is 1.4, times 3.2 minus b, which is 3, times 3.2 minus c, which is 2. This will simply be equal to the square root of 3.2 times 3.2 minus 1.4 is equal to 1.8 times 3.2 minus 3 gives us 0.2 times 3.2 minus 2 gives us 1.2. This will simply be equal to the square root of, take 3.2 times 1.8 times 0.2 times 1.2. It gives us 1.3824. This will be equal to, we have to take the square root of 1.3824. It gives us 1.18 to 2 decimal places. Since it is area, 1.18 units squared. Now we can find the area of the shaded region, this area. The area will simply be equal to, we are going to take the area of the circle. The area of the circle, we had 10.18 units squared minus the area of the triangle, which is 1.18 units squared. This will simply be equal to 10.18 minus 1.18 gives us 9.00 units squared. Then we conclude, therefore, the area of the shaded region is 9.00 0 units squared. We underline the answer. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, you share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.